All right, ladies and gentlemen, a little article from GATA, Gold Antitrust Action Committee. Gotta love it when a Congress member says to the CFTC, how in the hell did you guys not figure out there was any rigging in the silver market when the DOJ is now going after someone who was doing it for JP Morgan? Can't wait to see what the CFTC has to say about that. Washington, a member of the U.S. House Financial Services Committee today, pressed the Commodities Future Trading Commission, or CFTC, on its conspicuous failure to uncover the very silver market manipulation now being prosecuted by the U.S. Department of Justice. In a probing letter dated today to CFTC Chairman J. Christopher Giancarlo, Representative Alex X. Mooney, Republican West Virginia, writes, the U.S. Justice Department obtained a guilty plea from a former commodities trader for JP Morgan Chase & Company to charges of manipulating the gold and silver markets between 2009 and 2015, and its investigation into the actions of related parties is ongoing. The period at issue substantially overlaps the time during which your commission was investigating complaints of manipulation of the silver market, 2008 to 2013. However, in 2013, the Commission announced that it had closed its investigation without finding any wrongdoing. Why did the Commission fail to find the wrongdoing that the Justice Department has confirmed and continues to investigate? Also, will the Commission now be reopening its investigation into silver market manipulation and opening an investigation into gold market manipulation? If not, why not? Meanwhile, Representative Mooney asks about the CFTC's recent refusal to answer questions posed by a nonprofit watchdog group called the Gold Antitrust Action Committee, or GATA, that investigates government interventions in gold and silver markets. Representative Mooney's letter seeks answers from the CFTC about its apparent reporting discrepancies, the unusual correlation between the Chinese yuan and the gold price, and whether the CFTC believes it has jurisdiction over gold market trading by the U.S. government or foreign governments. Quote, Congressman Mooney understands that a lack of transparency in the gold market and silver market not only undermines confidence, but also enables governments and powerful financial interests to manipulate currencies and asset prices to Americans. Great detriment, said J.P. Cortez, policy director for the Sound Money Defense League. It sounds like a cartoon or something, like a nice movie. Sound Money Defense Team. Gold and silver are true money, and the CFTC has a responsibility to expose and punish those who seek to secretly manipulate its value. Representative Mooney's letter to CFTC Chairman J. Christopher Giancarlo can be accessed here by following the link. The Sound Money Defense League is a public policy group working nationally to bring gold back and silver as America's constitutional money. The group also maintains America's Sound Money Index. So I'll link to the article if you want to read it yourself. But I like when there's pressure put on the quote-unquote regulators who've been looking the other way the whole time on purpose. Remember, Gary the Turd Burglar Gensler used to be in charge of the CFTC, head guy, went to work for the Hillary Clinton campaign. He was the finance chairman of the Hillary Clinton campaign when she was running. If that tells you anything. You think there's some more dead weight left over at the CFTC? Absolutely. Take care.